So you're gonna make a fancy dinner for the person that you love. You need some classic side dishes. I'm talking about creamed spinach and a zesty Dijon mashed potatoes. Let me show you how to make them. They're classic.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
So we're gonna start with some nice, clean Yukon Gold potatoes. Wow, look at how gorgeous that is on the inside. My goodness. There is a peeled potato. We're just gonna cut them. So go in half like this. Basically, we want these chunks that are pretty much all the same distance to center so that they cook relatively the same rate. So that's it. We're gonna add the potatoes to cold water, and then we're gonna bring it up to the boil. Salt, and put this on heat. Let's get our cream and butter and aromatics. That's what's gonna coddle this. That's what's gonna make it mashed potatoes. Let's get some thyme, and let's get some chives for later to finish these in. We're coming in with some butter, cream. I'm putting the thyme leaves in whole like this so that they're easy to pluck. So this is really good. These are really fatty flavors. We need something to cut through. Dijon mustard from the packet drawer. Free flavor! Dijon! Let's just get that Dijon in there. All right, so I'm gonna let this steep so that the thyme infuses all its flavor into the cream and butter. All right, so the potatoes are done. Just get a little mash going on here. Pour our infused buttercream mixture. We can pull the thyme out and smell it. Oh. Let's mash. Salt, delicious. So we picked those chives earlier. Let's top our potatoes with chives. Nice contrast, little oniony zing. Beautiful. Got a nice big serving bowl. All right, let's serve it up. Here we go. Boom. Chives. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Come on. These are ready. Now let's make our cream spinach. We're just gonna start by boiling our spinach. You can have very hot, simmering water. All right, this is not gonna take very long at all. The spinach is pretty much instantly done the second it hits the water. So you can pull it out, just try and drain it real good, and put it right into a rag. I'm gonna let this cool. I'm gonna set it aside for a second. Now we're gonna make the creamed part of the spinach. So we're gonna start with a piece of garlic. I'm just gonna smash it. Very beautiful. And we've got the longest shallot I've ever seen in my life. We're gonna mince it. So a shallot is like a cross between garlic and onion. If you can't find them, red onions, garlic, both of those really pungent alliums are a good substitute. Butter in, a little vegetable oil. We'll throw our garlic in there, get our shallot in there. Let's hit it with a little pepper, and we're gonna hit it with some salt. Let's come in with some cream cheese. We've got half and half here. Round it all out. And then we're gonna put a little bit of nutmeg in there, some fresh nutmeg, which is gonna make the whole thing just taste more expensive. Let's whisk this together. You don't want it to get too hot because the fats of these cheeses could separate and that wouldn't be good. So monitor the heat, don't keep it too high. So, got our spinach here. It's in a cloth. I'm gonna squeeze it extra dry. Wonderful, that's good. Break it up. All right, coming in with some parm, just to sort of bind everything together and give us a little more nutty, salty depth. Beautiful. All right. Gorgeous. Oh, this is easily a $17 side. So now that you've got these rich and creamy sides, you should combine it with a melt-in-your-mouth main of your choice. That'll impress them.